everyone, my name is Azara Zakia Novita Pratiwi. My student ID is 2802481645. Today I will present our strategic proposal entitled Gojek as Multinational Corporation Strategic Expansion in Singapore. Rather than simply discussing about Gojek's expansion, our presentation focused on identifying the business gap faced by Gojek in Singapore and proposing strategic solutions through business diplomacy, market adaptation, and sustainable partnerships. Before discussing the solution, we first need to understand the challenge. Singapore is one of the most attractive markets in Southeast Asia. It has excellent digital infrastructure, high purchasing power, a technology-oriented population, and a strong regulatory environment. At first glance, this seems like a perfect market for Gojek. However, this opportunity also creates significant challenges. The key question is, how can Gojek successfully expand and sustain its operation in Singapore while facing strict regulations, strong competitors, and demanding consumers? This is where the business gap emerges. From the internal perspective, Gojek faced several challenges. First, the company must continuously strengthen customer trust, especially regarding data privacy and digital security. Second, Gojek needs to improve customer loyalty in a market where users can easily switch to competing platforms. Third, Gojek must maintain driver partner welfare while simultaneously achieving operational efficiency. Finally, as a multinational corporation, Gojek must ensure that its global business model can be adapted to Singapore's local context. Meanwhile, from external perspective, there are also major challenges. The first challenge is regulation. Singapore enforces strict rules regarding personal data protection, transportation services, and digital business operation. Any failure to comply can create legal and reputational risk. Second challenge is intense industry rivalry. As we know, Gojek competes directly with Grab, a dominant player that already possesses strong brand recognition and a large customer base. The third challenge is consumer expectation. Singaporean consumers demand reliability, speed, convenience, security, and service excellence. Therefore, simply offering transportation services is not enough. As a result, we identified the main business gap as follows. Gojek possesses strong technological capabilities and a successful regional business model, but it still needs stronger legitimacy, deeper local integration, and greater competitive differentiation to achieve long-term success in Singapore. And due to analyze this challenge, we applied 4 frameworks. The first framework is business diplomacy. Business diplomacy is essential because multinational corporations must build relationships with governments, regulators, and local stakeholders. For Gojek, business diplomacy helps obtain legitimacy, reduce regulatory risk, and create long-term cooperation with Singaporean institutions. And the second framework is Porter's value chain analysis. This framework allows us to understand how Gojek creates value throughout its operation. Our analysis shows that Gojek's strengths lie in its integrated digital platforms, operational efficiency, customer support system, and ecosystem-based services. Singaporean can function as a strategic hub that enables Gojek to improve service quality and operational effectiveness. And the third framework is Porter's 5 forces. This analysis demonstrates that Gojek operates in an environment characterized by strong barrier power, significant substitution threats from public transportation, high competitive rivalry, and continuous pressure from digital competitors. Therefore, competing solely through pricing strategies will not be sustainable. Instead, Gojek must create differentiated value. And the last framework is Porter's Diamond Theory. This framework highlights Singapore's national competitiveness. Singapore benefits by advanced infrastructure, highly skilled human resource, government support innovation, and strong market demand. These factors create favorable conditions for expansion. However, they also increase expectation regarding quality, compliance, and also performance. Finally, all findings were integrated into business model canvas to ensure that Gojek's partnership activities, value proposition, customer relationship, and revenue streams align with Singapore market conditions. Based on these findings, we developed our strategic programs. The first program is the G2G and G2B Regulatory Compliance Hub. The objective is to strengthen Gojek's legitimacy through proactive cooperation with government institutions and regulators. These include regular coordination with data protection authorities and partnership with labor organizations to improve driver welfare. And through this initiative, Gojek is positioned not merely as a foreign company, but as a strategic partner supporting Singapore's digital economy. The second program is the FinTech co-branding ecosystem. The purpose of this program is to strengthen Gojek's competitive position against dominant competitors. Instead of competing directly in every area, Gojek can collaborate with established local payment systems such as PayNow or Nets. This strategy increases convenience for users while reducing barriers to adoption. Additionally, loyalty programs and cashback incentive can improve customer retention and reduce switching behavior. The third program is the Urban Smart Mobility Hub. Singapore promotes the Smart Nation vision. As we know, Singapore promotes the Smart Nation vision, and Gojek can align itself with this national agenda. This initiative includes AI-driven logistic optimization and the gradual implementation of electric vehicles for transportation and food delivery services. The objective is not only operational efficiency, but also alignment with sustainable goals and environmental responsibility. The fourth program is Digital Inclusion for SMEs and Local Businesses. This program focuses on helping local merchants and small businesses join the Gojek ecosystem. Training programs, fair commission structures, and cross-border merchant networks can increase economic inclusion while strengthening Gojek's local partnership. As a result, Gojek becomes more deeply embedded within Singapore's economic ecosystem. And if these programs are implemented successfully, we expect several outcomes. First, stronger regulatory legitimacy. Second, increased customer trust. Third, greater user loyalty. Fourth, stronger relationship with local stakeholders. And finally, sustainable long-term growth in Singapore. In conclusion, our analysis shows that the main challenge for Gojek is not simply entering Singapore, but successfully adapting to highly competitive and highly regulated environment. Through business diplomacy, strategic partnership, regulatory compliance, and innovation-driven programs, Gojek can transform this challenge into opportunities. By combining global capabilities with local adaptation, Gojek can strengthen its position as a multinational corporation while creating long-term value for consumers, business partners, and society. Thank you.